Hello everyone, and welcome back to Digs for Days. And I was looking through the trending and I found this crazy rolling car crash caught on an inside camera. It's only 27 seconds, so it's going to be a short video. Because usually my videos are pretty dang long. So here we go. Crazy. Oh yeah, it's number 3 on trending. So you know, it's gonna be beautiful. Okay, everyone. So now, hopefully, I'm trying to get it out of the way, so. Okay, here we go, that's good. Let's say go. Here we go. Is this guy singing, or, like, that face, he looks high. Like, he looks high. He's like, well, he's actually a pretty good singer. He's like, okay. That scream though. Lucy's the one dead. That scream. He's like, oh, no problem. Just screw it. I'm just gonna turn off my camera and pay the person who did that special effects $5. Okay, so, yeah, I'll look through the trending for some more stuff. Dude Perfect is always good. Eminem campaign speech. Okay, so cool. Yeah, so Monster Simon's Cat a Halloween special. So I guess we'll watch something next. So